Hey guys, Arnold here for Healthy at 60 Plus. In today's news update, I want to talk about something called They Hope You Believe in ED Miracles. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. When I talk to men about erectile dysfunction, a very common question is, how fast will your product work? Having ED is ego bruising and depressing, to say the least. Everyone wants fast relief. And that is exactly what scammers are selling. They are selling an overnight miracle. They say, take my product and you'll be 25 again. Or they imply something like that. And we all definitely want to believe the dream. And that certainly included me. I searched for the miracle until I came to realize that physical repair takes time. And that, unfortunately, there is no quick fix. Remember, it probably took 20 to 30 years to build up the damage that is causing your problem. Erections work on good blood flow. And good blood flow depends on a healthy cardiovascular system. And a healthy cardiovascular system depends on lifestyle changes and supplementation, not on fancy ads and false promises. And if, like me, you want real path to renewed health and erectile function, then just click the link below this video to see my ED repair page. If you have any questions about the video on that page or this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. To be informed of new videos, just subscribe to my channel and click like for this video. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. To view other videos about this same topic, just click on either of the video links above. Again, thanks for stopping by, and here's to your good health.